If you've ever wished to earn quietly from home, no calls, no cameras, just calm, consistent income, this video is your peace plan. Click the link in the description to start building your full-time income from home at your own gentle pace. Hey everyone! If you're an introvert who dreams of passive income but hates the idea of being on camera, this is your roadmap. I'm sharing 7 low-interaction ideas that let you create once and earn on repeat. These aren't high-pressure sales gigs. They are faceless paths using tools you probably already know. I'll walk you through exactly how to set up each one right now. Before we dive in, click the link in the description to learn how you can start making a full-time income from home with simple, faceless strategies. Number 7. Selling simple PDFs like journals or checklists. To begin, head to gumroad.com and click Start Selling. You can sign up with your email or Facebook. Go to the Products tab and select Digital Product. Upload your PDF. Create it in Canva. Set your price. Try $8 to 15s. You don't need a website. Gumroad hosts the file and handles the payments. You need to drive traffic. Use Pinterest to post images of your planner that link back to your Gumroad page. Number 6. Affiliate marketing through simple articles. You review tools you love and earn a commission when people click. First, sign up for the Amazon Associates program at affiliateprogram.amazon.com. The link is also provided in the description. Next, for the blog, head to medium.com. This is easiest for beginners, or wordpress.com. Click Write. Then, sign up on Medium and draft an article like Top 10 Noise-Canceling Headphones for Focus. Highlight the product name in your text, click the link icon, and paste your specific Amazon affiliate link. It takes time for Google to find your articles, SEO, so be patient. It's a long-term game. Number 5. Print on demand. You sell mugs or teas, but a third party prints and ships them. Head to printful.com and create a free account. Go to etsy.com/sell. Then, click on Get Started and open a shop. Inside your Printful dashboard, go to Stores from the left sidebar. Then click on Choose Platform. Here, you will find a list of e-commerce stores that you can connect with Printful. Simply click the Connect button under Etsy and follow the instructions to connect your Etsy account. Upload your design, text-based quotes work great, to Printful. When someone buys on Etsy, Printful automatically prints and ships it. You never touch the product. Number 4. Licensing photos. If you take nice photos of nature or desk setups, sell them. How to start? Do not go to the main Shutterstock site. You need to head to submit.shutterstock.com or download the Shutterstock Contributor app. Click Sign Up and verify your email. Upload your high-quality JPEGs. Approval takes a few days. Once approved, you earn a small royalty every time someone downloads your image. Number 3. Written online courses. No video required, just text and quizzes. How to start? Head to teachable.com and enter your email to start a free plan. Click Create a Course. Instead of uploading video, use the Add Text block to write out your lessons, for example, the Introverts Guide to Boundaries. Add a PDF download at the end of each section. You can charge $39.99 for a well-organized written guide. Number 2. Selling audio files, like guided affirmations or relaxation tracks. How to start? Download Audacity, it's free software, to record your voice. The download link is provided in the description. Record your voice from the software and export the file as an MP3. Then head back to gumroad.com, just like we have discussed in Tip 7. Create a new product but select Audio. Upload your MP3 file. Set your price between $7 to $20. This is great because people love faceless voices. You can remain completely anonymous. Number 1. Paid text-based communities. Think of it like a private Facebook group that you get paid to run. How to start? In your web browser, head over to circle.so. They offer a free trial. Create a space for your topic, for example, minimalist living forum. Set up a paywall so members pay $5 or $10 a month to enter. Your job is just to post discussion prompts. You won't need to live video. It takes effort to get the first 10 members, but retention is high because people pay for the community connection. There you have it. 7 passive paths that honor your introverted energy. From simple PDFs to quiet communities, pick the one that feels right to you. If you're ready to make a full-time income from home, peacefully, on your own terms, click the link in the description right now. Thanks for watching.